Viewers, welcome to our Qeasys education videos. I'm Gopal. I would like to welcome you all to this education video. In this video, we are going to cover topics like how to search and view drugs from a global drug database and from your local inventory. How to search drugs based on the product name, generic name from the global drug database, and also as well as in the local inventory. And how will you be able to add drugs from global drug database and bring it to local? And how can you add products like your treatment plans, imaging, labs and lab tests, whatever you're going to perform and etc. Let me log into the Qeasys application. And what you see here is in the products manage. This is where the whole management of products goes here. And you will see the list of drugs here. So this is a global set of drugs, and just search based on by default searching the local inventory. You can click on global to search on the global inventory. You can see it's got around 100,000 medicines loaded here. And if you want to bring in any of the medicines, you can click on this add inventory button to bring it to the local. So I'm just going to search on local inventory, and if you want to search on a specific medicine, you can just search and let me search on the global so it searches for whatever name matches with atarva statin. So you will see atorvastatin and search on global. If you look at it, so this is a set of medicines with the name atorvastatin, and it's also searches on the local because I don't find anything on the local. So this is a generic name. So let me search on generic. So you will see atorvastatin as a generic name. You will see a lot of these medicines comes out. So let me search for the 40 mg, and you will see 40 mg. There's a it's there in the global. I'm just going to search on local. There is nothing on the local. So and if you are searching with specific 10 mg, you'll be able to search on 10 mg. And if you search on um, 5 mg or 500 mg, you'll be able to search again. And that's how it works. And you will be able to search on anything. It's like you can search on a uh, generic a name which or the product which you have stored, the equipment, opticals. If you are running your opticals, you can add your lens, glasses, whatsoever. Treatment, if you are running, example, there is a dentist who wants to perform a root canal operation or root canals treatment. So you will be able to add treatment here with along with that pricing. I think I'm just going to search on my. So you see root canal treatment, gum surgery. If you are an ophthalmologist, you will be able to see the color vision treatment, computer vision syndrome, whatsoever. And labs. I'm just going to search on labs with the reference well level where HbA1c, what is the reference value, and everything will be here. And if you are doing it for imaging, you will see you can add all those. So how do you add it? You can click on add button here, add product. You can add. So the same things. If you are choosing anything on generic, you have to enter the product name, description, and the price. And if you have any specific details like a drug, you can enter the product name, description, the manufacturer, the initial quantity you have, and reorder level with the units you want to put. This is a laundry list of units available. Same thing applicable for opticals. It has a barcode scan as well. If you're running from an app, you will see the barcode scan comes in as a button, and you can take a photograph of it and then do a barcode scan. So uh, same for labs with the test value, reference unit, everything. And if you're having a procedure, you'll be able to add the same. So if you look at treatment and procedures, has this additional drop down. It mentions about what is your discipline. If you are an ophthalmologist or a dentist, you can specify that. So when you log in as a dentist, you will see only the procedures and treatment belongs to dentist will be shown. If you are an ophthalmologist, and you will be able to see that. So if you're running in hospital, you will see there is various specialties there. So based on the login, and the discipline of the particular specialist, it will automatically display the procedure and treatment on the appointment screen. That's how it looks like. And if you want to modify, so you can, let me go to the drug, and I'll search for Crocin. So you will see Crocin with 1000 mg, and it is not in the inventory. I'm going to add it to the inventory now. It's added. So once you add it, it will become modify. So you can click on modify. You can start making changes to it if you want to. You'll see the salt composition, which is from the merch manufacturer, is that what is the sales price, what is the unit price, whatsoever you want to specify, sales unit price and unit quantity. If it is going to be a tablet, you can specify that it's going to be a tablet. And I'm just going to this is how you have to add your stocks. I'm just going to simply do an update, and I'm going to do an add stock. If I do an add stock here, it will display the sales unit cost. This is what you are going to sell now. So purchase will be much more lesser. So I'm going to choose a date received as today's date. Quantity you received is going to be 100. Expiry date of the medicine. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to say it's going to be 2021 February 9th, something like that. And what is the purchase cost? It's going to be much more lesser than this. I'm going to say 1.14. This is the unit cost. The serial lot number from the manufacturer, or the and which location it's set to. It's going to be, I'm going to say 824. I'm just going to add. So once I add it, you will see there is a 100. And what is the reorder level? I'm going to set to 10. So I'm just going to do an update here. So you will see the stock got added. Uh, with all the details, and you want to make any adjustments here, you'll be able to make. Assume that out of 100 there are 10 items which is faulty, and you want to return back to the vendor, you will be able to do an adjust. So when is the date, and choose from it. So you want to add, so you are adding more in the sense somebody returns it and you are adding to the inventory. That's one way. And you want to remove it simply, and you want to return to vendor. So write off. So these are all various things. When I am going to do a write off, to say that I'm going to write off a 5 quantity, what is the reason? For money. So if you are writing off without any valid reason, so you can just give the reason and then just writing it off. So it'll go here. So all those get displayed here. So whenever you add this medicine to a prescription and then add to the billing, you will start looking as the transactions here, along with the billing ID will be here, and who is the customer name. So everything will get displayed. This is how you have to add your products, and you can see there are a set of reports available. Just go and look at the stock purchase report. I'm just going to click on it. Just going to say, so that's the stock purchase we have done. Gross in 1000, sales price, and what is the current quantity, which is 10, and purchase quantity. So all the details will get displayed here. You can download this as a report. So this is how you manage the whole set of products. Thanks for joining on this video. So we'll refer other video series for accessing other functionality. Thanks.